Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, fog lamps, rear wheel drive. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.